Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Pathfinder hood, full guide. Start by sitting in the driver's seat, then pull the interior hood release lever under the dash until the hood pops. Walk to the front, feel for the secondary latch near the grille, then slide it to release. Lift the hood using both hands and secure it with the prop rod or hood struts as applicable. Approach the driver's side and locate the interior release lever by the left kick panel or under the dash. Pull it firmly and listen for a clear pop from the front of the vehicle, which shows the primary latch disengaged. If you don't hear a pop, check floor mats and the lever path for obstructions, then try again with steady pressure to avoid bending the release cable or plastic handle. Move to the front and reach under the hood center to find the secondary latch tab or lever. While lifting the hood slightly, push or slide the latch toward the grille to free the hood fully. Always secure the hood with the prop rod if present, or confirm the gas struts hold it, and never work under an unsecured hood to avoid injury from a sudden drop or failing hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.